My sister found the coolest thing on Instagram. She sent it to me, and it's this reuse, reduce, recycle thing where you can use your grandma's old crystal, you know, the little vases and maybe grandpa's whiskey glass, and you make candles. That seemed so cool to me. You know, I've never made a candle before, but I figured we could figure it out together, right? Alright.
Are we gonna work on this together?
Alright, we're gonna make some candles. Apparently Charlie's gonna help us. I went to the thrift store the other day and I got these gorgeous glass pieces. I'm here at the thrift store. Let's see what we can find. Okay, so I've pared down. I have quite as many. I can't wait to show you guys my haul. So I'm sitting here in the back seat. I've pulled it all out of the bags and I want to show you what I've gotten. Nice heavy duty pressed glass. Look at just how that sparkles. It's gonna be a very pretty candle. The heft, they're very heavy, so they'll be able to take boiling hot wax. I got this vintage silver, whatever this is, vintage silver thing that I'm going to polish up for the Christmas table. And I just love this. This is maybe one of my favorites. I got that beautiful vase. I love that. It's $5 at Goodwill. Of course, I didn't want to use my mom's crystal. I like it too much, so I just went out and bought some new. I think it's going to be a fun project. We're going to do these today. If we have enough wax,
We'll try something
else. I've never made a candle before in my life. I don't know how much wax I need or not. I think she may have.
I have way back in the day. Kind of about when I learned to make the bows.
Not real crystal. Like...
That one would be crystal.
There, we got real crystal here. This is the only one that's real crystal.
And I claim it.
See?
Yeah.
The only real crystal. The rest of it is pressed.
It's very pretty, actually.
It is.
It'll be the one in my room.
Clunk. Definitely pressed glass, but that's fine. It's heavy duty. I think it's gonna make a gorgeous candle. We have some real crystal around here somewhere. I don't know where I've put it. It's Mom's old wedding stuff? I don't know. It's her mom's old stuff.
The good stuff that nobody ever uses.
It's the good stuff we can't use. So let's melt some wax.
Focused.
How much should I put in there?
Probably that. You come over here real quick and see. Perfect.
tell me when.
Okay.
Slightly.
You can still put it in there.
Where is it?
It's laying over on the other side.
Oh, shoot.
Stop.
How many?
I like it, so as many as you want.
It's a pretty easy project if you buy the right wick that has the stickers on the bottom. I didn't do that.
Oh, you mean it's always easy if you know the code?
It's always easy if you know the code. I didn't buy the right wicks. I think we've got it, but now we just need to wait for these candles to. Oh, so we're only gonna do three candles today. We'll do these some other time. Maybe I'll show you.
Maybe
Maybe I won't. But we're gonna wait for these 3 candles to harden, for these to cure, and I'll see you tomorrow. See, I told you we were gonna learn this together. Okay, the candles are done, and it's actually 2 or 3 more days later, not just the next day. And I want to show you how pretty these candles turned out, and they smell amazing. I'm so glad we went with vanilla. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, consider subscribing. Give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.